everyone, quick tutorial naman tayo dito sa ating maneuvering board. I will teach you paano gamitin yung secret weapon ng maneuvering board para hindi na kayo matagalan mag-compute ng time, speed, or distance ng mga targets natin. Okay, here sa bottom part, makikita natin meron tayo dito the 3 scale na nomogram. Okay, ito yung the time na scale, the distance scale, and the speed na scale. Yan yung logarithmic time, distance, and speed na scale. So, ang tawag sa tatlo na to, pag gagamitin natin yung 3 scale nomogram. Okay? So, yung instruction nandito lang naman sa baba. Diba? Kung mababasa natin dyan, so the use of the 3 scale nomogram. Given any two corresponding quantities, you can solve for the third by laying rule through points on proper scale and read intersection on the third scale. Sa madaling sabi, guguhitan mo lang siya ng line. Gaganon-ganon ka lang. Okay? So, given yung dalawang quantity. So, hindi pwedeng dalawa yung susolve mo. Isa lang. Okay, now, let's put it into practice. So, ito, solve for time. Time yung hahanapin natin. So, isang quantity lang yung missing. So, meron tayong speed na 20 and the distance na 7. So, paano ba ito gamitin? So, this is the distance, this is the speed, and this is the time na scale. Diba? Ito yun. Speed, distance, time. Okay? Now, kunin natin si time. Si time yung 20 knots, 7 nautical. Saan yung 20 knots? So, ito yung 20 knots. So, bibilugan natin 20 knots. Then, yung distance is 7 nautical miles. Okay? So, binilugan ko para makita nyo. Okay, 20 knots, 7 nautical miles. Now, guguhit lang tayo ng linya. Dito sa 20, guhitan natin linya, intersect the 7. No? Kung nasaan si 7, wait ka lang na straight line. Straight from 20 and 7. Diba? So, saan siya napunta sa time scale? Ito. So, kung babasahin natin yan, kung babasahin natin, that is 21 minutes. So, ang sagot pala dyan is 21 minutes. So, let's check if tama ba yung, tama ba yung scale na to. Now, the formula for this one is, speed equals distance over time. So, time yung hinanap natin. So, time equals distance over speed. Diba? So, ito yung formula gamit. T equals distance over speed. Now, let's go here. So, yung distance natin is 7. So, 7 divided by the speed of 20 knots. That is 0.35 in hours. Hours pa to. So, times 60 natin. 600, sorry. So, 7 divide 20 times 60. Okay, 21. 21 minutes. Diba? So, whichever method na mas mabilis sa tingin mo, yun gagamitin mo. So, para sa akin, it's much faster dito sa nomogram. So, another example. Dito tayo. 15 knots, 6 nautical miles. So, puntahan mo yung 15 knots. Ayan. Tapos, 6 nautical miles. Guhit ka lang ng isang linya. Ruler lang gagamitin mo. 16 knots. So, the answer is, ayan, 24. So, 24 minutes pala yan. Okay? Now, iba naman. Hindi naman time. Speed naman yung susolve natin. So, here, you can see, solve for the speed. 10 minutes, 2.5 nautical miles. So, 10 minutes, nasaan yun? Dito. Ayan, si 10 minutes. 2.5. Si 2.5 is, ayan, si 2.5. So, guhit tayo ng isang linya. 10 minutes, 2.5. So, that is, 15 knots. O, diba? Napakabilis lang. So, kung marami kang target, mas mabilis mo siyang makompute. So, let's check kung tama ba to. Okay? So, speed naman. Speed is distance over time. So, distance, 2.5 divided by the time, which is 10 minutes. So, i-convert natin yan to hours. So, 10 divided by 60. So, the answer is 15. So, 15 minutes. Tama na naman. Bilis lang, di ba? Now, here, last for the speed. 15 minutes, 3 nautical miles. So, 15 minutes, take note, 15 minutes, 3 nautical miles. Diba? 15, 3 nautical miles. Guhit ka lang na isang linya. 15 minutes, 3 nautical miles. Ilan yung magiging speed? So, the speed would be, okay, 12 knots. Okay, 12 knots. Check natin kung tama. Okay, distance over time. So, distance divided by the time, 15, na-convert natin to hours. That would be 12 minutes. 12 minutes, 12 knots. Sorry. 12 knots. Diba? Speed kasi yung kinumpute. So, 12 knots. Napakabilis lang. Okay? Okay. What if naman, si distance naman yung wala? Okay? So, meron kang time, then meron kang speed. So, speed is 20, time is 30 knots. So, speed is 20, time is, baliktad ata. Ayan, 20 knots, 30 minutes. Time is 30 minutes. Okay, kung nabaliktad ko, sorry Baliktad yung okay, 20 knots, then 30 minutes. That's all. Quit ka lang isang linya, papunta doon. So, the distance would be 10 nautical miles. 10 nautical miles. Okay? Okay, solve natin kung tama sa calculator. So, speed, distance naman yung hinahanap. So, formula for that, speed equals distance over time. So, kung distance hahanapin, distance equals speed times time. Okay, so i-times lang natin yung dalawa. So, speed equals speed times time. Distance equals speed times time. So, speed is 20 knots times the time of 30 minutes. So, 30 converted to hours. Divide 60 natin yan. So, that is 10 knots. 10 knots. 10 nautical miles. Sorry. 10 nautical miles. Diba? Here, again, last example for the distance. Ito, 20 minutes, 15 knots. Hanapin natin si minutes, 20 minutes. Ayan. Tapos, 15 knots. 15 knots. Guhit ka lang ng isang tuwid na guhit dyan. Ayan. So, the distance would be 5 nautical miles. So, sagot dyan is 5 nautical miles. So, checking. Check tayo kung calculate natin. Distance is speed times time. 15 times yung time na 20 converted to hours. So that would be 6 lang yun. Sorry. Distance equals speed times time. 15 times 20 divided by 60. Ayan. 5 nautical miles. Okay? So, whatever method na sa tingin mo mabilis para sa'yo, yun yung gamitin mo. Dito lang naman, tinuro ko lang yung 3-scale nomogram. So, if ever mas mabilis ka sa calculator, then go for it. If ever mas madali ito para sa'yo, then go for it. But with regards to radar plotting, I think ito mas mabilis as long as accurate yung magiging double check mo lang kung pagka every time na maglilinya ka dito kasi baka may mga distortion, especially yung mga may points na. Okay, so I guess yun lang sa video na to. I hope nakatulong sa sa pag rapid radar plotting nyo. Okay, good luck everyone and enjoy learning.
Subscribe to my channel.